Hi everyone, thank you so much for such an amazing response to the previous videos. I am back again with another amazing video with 6 major new opportunities, and we have recently hit 11k subscribers. Before starting with today's video, I would say if you haven't already liked, shared, subscribed this channel, go ahead and do that. Hit the like button so that it motivates me to make more and more videos for you. Like, I'm also coming up with amazing content, so definitely you should go ahead and consider subscribing this channel. And if you have any feedbacks, any improvements, anything that you want, particularly the type of videos that you want, so you can definitely ping me on my Instagram profile. I'll give the handle of my Instagram profile as well, and you can ask me questions there related to anything. First opportunity is by Cisco. So Cisco is hiring for different roles for new grads like network embedded and application development for India UHR. And you can see like they want people from 2021 and 2022 pass out batches with a CGP of 8.5 and above. The branches that they have made eligible are CSC, EC, electrical, and certain majors in maths and physics as well. Apart from that, like they've categorized the software engineer category into network protocols, into application software, and embedded systems and development. So definitely this is an amazing opportunity. The CTC is close to 30 lakhs per annum. So definitely this is an opportunity not to miss out. You can check out, apply. The next opportunity basically we're talking about is Teradata. Teradata is hiring for associate software engineer, and they're hiring for the location of Hyderabad in Andhra Pradesh. You can see the eligibility criteria. It's BTech, MTech, or MCA in computer science. Development skills: C language, Perl, working experience in data structures, SQL. So normal requirements, but yeah, definitely you should give it a try. It is also one of the amazing companies. Like they're giving a package close to 10 lakhs per annum. Next is CDK Global. CDK Global is hiring for the role of support engineer, and they're offering a package of 4.5 lakhs per annum. 2021 batch CSC EC is eligible, and you should have a CGP of 6 and above for applying to CDK Global. Next company we are talking about is Bewakoof.com. So Bewakoof.com is hiring for SD1, in which freshers can also apply. So if you're looking forward to work at such an amazing startup that makes t-shirts, merchandises, so it is one of them, like it offers a good compensation as well, and the work culture is also good at Bewakoof.com. So definitely you should try for getting referrals. I'll share the link in the description below. Next is Book My Show. Book My Show is hiring for trainee quality analyst. Like you should be good at testing. You should be good at clearing and designing clear and concise test cases. You should like be up with certain application testing, mobile device and mobile application testing, and the experience required is 0. So freshers are eligible to apply for this as well. Go ahead and apply for Book My Show also. The next opportunity that we're talking about is by DBS. So DBS is currently hiring for 3 months interns, and they're looking forward to people who are in their third semester currently. Like what they actually mean by this is those who have recently joined colleges, like the students from the batch of 2020 are eligible to apply for this amazing internship. Like if you will be graduating in 2024, then you should be eligible to apply for DBS interns and unicorns position, and referrals are also available for this particular opportunity. And if you are very new to referrals, I believe like if you have just joined college, you don't have any much experience in getting referrals, so you can definitely ping in your questions on my Instagram profile. I'll share the link in the Instagram profile, and you can definitely get in touch with me. So you can get referrals from the employees who are currently working at DBS, and they'll give you referrals, and you can get this amazing internship opportunity where you'll be working on a live project with immediate delivery, and like it is also going to be amazing. So definitely go ahead and apply for this opportunity as well. So this was all for today's video. I hope you all will apply for these opportunities, and hit the like button, subscribe button, and share button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. All the best. Good luck. Bye bye.